So today I would like to share with you this portable electric kettle. Guys, this is kind of like a mini electric kettle that you can use, for small apartments, for a dorm, or if you go camping or in an RV. It is super compact in design. It has a capacity of 0.14 gallons. Now, this is an ideal product for you to boil water. You can use it to warm milk. You can even use it to warm soup or stews as well. So to use it, it's super simple. It comes with a digital display right here. It's an LCD type of display with a touch control type of button for you to switch between the 4 different temperature settings. So you have the option of either choosing 113 Fahrenheit, 131, 176, and 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Guys, this product on the inside, let me just show it to you. It is all lined with a 304 type of stainless steel. It is food grade, non-toxic, and super safe to use. It is very thick on the outside. As you can see, the insulated portion made of PP materials is nice and thick. And believe it or not, once the water is boiled on the inside, even if you touch it on the outside, it's not gonna burn you. The temperature on the outside, it stays very low so you can, hold this kettle in your hand. It comes with a super cute lid that even has a hook for you to easy carrying it. Now, additionally to the kettle, in the package you will find 2 citric acid detergent for you to clean your kettle. Also, you will find this sort of sponge brush kind of device for you to clean it on the inside. And of course, a bag so you can carry it with you anywhere you want. Guys, this is such a great product. I really love, again, how compact it is. It is perfect for you to bring in your trips. If you want to warm water, milk, stews, soups, or any other type of liquid, it is absolutely possible. I highly recommend this product and I really hope you will enjoy it, guys. So I'll see you next time. Bye.